110%.
I'm a very confused person like that.
चटर about it also. For sure. Me. तो वो मुंह बनाती है. Mom energy. तो मैं भी खा लूंगी gun point पे ये. Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the official Impulse Coffees YouTube channel. I'm Sarah Sarosh. I'm the founder and CEO of Impulse Coffees, and today I'm reporting from our brand new Impulse Coffees office. I'm so excited to finally sit in this place and film content for you all for this channel. If you're new to this channel, then hi, I'm Sarah Sarosh. I'm the founder and CEO, and this is my very own coffee brand. This is a startup, and we've always filmed and worked out of our home studio space. So this is our new home slash office slash whatever you want to call it, and our new setup for y'all. I have filmed a very detailed tour of this entire space मेरे channel पे. अगर आप मेरे channel से आए हो तो of course आपने देख लिया होगा. नहीं देखा है तो it will be linked in the description box for you. You can check it out and have a more detailed viewpoint of where we keep our things. But also the Impulse Coffees team has done the entire setup. This is their domain, so they have also filmed a vlog for y'all जहाँ उन्होंने पूरा उनका office slash kitchen setup किया है. So that will also be live on this channel. So I'm gonna plug both the videos in the description box. Check them out. Today we are filming a very fun video on this channel, that is who's most likely to. This is part 2 of this series on our channel. My team has already done this in the past and I'm doing this for the first time. तो मुझे अकेला बकरा बना के बिठा दिया है इधर क्योंकि आज पहला वीडियो है स्टूडियो से, तो they are like आप ही बैठो. There's a huge tray of coffee shots over here of Pulpal pineapple, which is honestly smelling so good because it's been a while that I've had my Pulpal pineapple. जैसी जार खोला ये किचन में मैं खुश हो गई because I have only been drinking Mauka Pe Chauka this month. I did not open any new jar of Pulpal pineapple and the aroma is so good, so delightful, and we have like a very limited stock remaining. It was a summer limited edition flavor, तो अब बस थोड़ा सा बचा है. Once this is gone for real the flavor will be out of stock. हमने ये actually already second restock किया था जो हमने बोला था नहीं करेंगे, but फिर भी on popular demand we bought it back. But this time once it's gone, it's gone, and summer is all you have for Pulpal pineapple. So if you haven't grabbed it, stop on the mango consumption थोड़ा सा. Mango से बहुत पिंपल होते हैं तो थोड़ा आप कॉफी में ध्यान दो. और Pulpal pineapple is something that will not give you pimples, and if consumed in moderation. Let me also add that because I know that if you overdo anything you will have an adverse effect. With that we can dive straight into this video.
Okay, so I'll ask you questions and
Okay.
you will have to answer like who from the team. The team is you, Payal, Bonaita, me and Sneha.
Okay, the Impulse Coffees team.
Yeah. So you will have to answer who's most likely to out of the 5 of us, and we have also come up with our answers who we think. It's like a majority.
Okay, तो majority wins.
And
तुम लोग
if-
के हिसाब से नहीं सही हुआ तो फिर मुझे कॉफी शॉट
Yes.
लेना. कल मला.
Who's most likely to get a funky hair color?
Funky hair color. Bonaita. है ना?
That is correct.
Bonaita's face is a giveaway. She's smiling from there and I'm like,
Bonaita, don't give her this.
Second question. Who's most likely to forget a loved one's birthday?
me.
Yes.
I don't keep track of dates, guys.
Who's most likely to take a week to respond to a text?
Also me. I have 55,000 unresponded emails.
Who's most likely to take a rickshaw to a short distance instead of walking?
It's Sneha or me.
No, you are wrong.
Both nahi.
No.
Yeah, I'll have
But
the coffee
if
shop.
in case
Who,
you
you
want
Moksha?
Yeah.
Unanimous था ये हम.
Who's most likely to laugh in a serious situation? This is very easy.
This is Sneha. It's very easy. Yes, you're right.
Who's most likely to fall asleep late but still wake up early?
Me. Payal. I sleep late and still wake
Everyone
up
does,
early.
but like on a
Most
majority
like-
basis,
You.
it's no, Bonaita.
You're the first person to fall asleep. ऐसे रात को अगर तुझे नींद आती है तो
हाँ
you
मैं
need
तो
to
yeah, that is true. Now तो I've become very like I'm becoming. I think after coming into this house, तो I'm slowly migrating into my that post 35 वाला phase जा रहा है मेरा. अभी तो झोप आ ली, phone flight mode में डालने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. मैं out, सीधा out.
Who's most likely to mix all Impulse Coffee's flavors and enjoy it? Basically, someone who can eat weird things.
Me?
No,
No, I
it's
won't.
Payal.
What rubbish? No, Payal is very anal. She does not.
No. She can have weird
I
things.
like weird food combos.
No, उसको कुछ भी गलत खाना दो तो वो मुंह बनाती है.
नहीं but वो खाती है.
खा लेती
खा ऐसा तो ना होता, but वो तो मैं भी खा लूंगी गन पॉइंट पे. ये no.
Gun point पे नहीं. She'll have her own weird combinations that she has on a daily basis.
They're right, they sit with me for lunch.
Now I will also sit. Ha,
Yeah.
After so long.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to be late to office on a regular basis?
Me.
No.
अच्छा I तो live in office so I come. Max मैं 5 मिनट लेट रूम में से बाहर आती हूँ. पायल is always late. अच्छा पायल is perpetually late. Yeah. पायल का तो मैं टाइमिंग ही अभी चेक कर रहा हूँ. It's beyond, we are gone way past that.
काम हो रहा है बस.
First day she came to office on time. But first day.
I came on time. Hello.
So today I didn't check only, but first day of this studio's working, as soon as it was 11, the first notification from the gate.
अच्छा होना चाहिए. बाकी देखो.
Who is most likely to have mom energy?
Mom energy.
Yes.
Mom, both Payal and me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is correct. Who is most likely to order instead of carrying home cooked food to the office?
It's actually Sharon, but since she's not in the Impulse team, in Impulse team, who doesn't carry dabba? Yeah, I've seen all of you all carry dabba.
Yeah, but majority who orders food.
Sneha?
No.
You?
Yeah.
Really?
उसको खाने के बाद भूख लगती है.
Oh, but actually they all eat dabba, which is a great thing because you should eat home cooked food only.
I think we should have half a shot because you answered Sneha first.
But
Half
Sharon is the
fine.
right answer.
Huh.
Every day it's robot.
Next question. Who is most likely to zone out in a meeting?
Me,
No.
for sure.
No.
I actually don't zone out. My brain is in so many tabs. जैसे कोई इंसान entertain नहीं कर रहा है enough, I go switch tab.
But you are wrong.
Okay, fine. Sneha?
Yes.
Yes.
But you'll have to have that half coffee shot.
But see, I'm also being very truthful that I zone out. So people who have meetings get to the point fast.
Who is most likely to blow the salary in the first half of the month?
Moksha.
No. I'm a very confused person like that.
I agree. It's very sensitive.
Bonaita?
Yeah.
Really? Second I'm getting. Second पे अभी भी मैं वो तो No.
It's okay, we can give you a concession.
Please.
Who's most likely to keep their phone on charge but forget to switch on the charging? This has happened today morning.
Bonaita.
Yes. Who is most likely to refuse to switch off the AC even when everyone is freezing? अभी ये तो आना चाहिए.
Me. Hey, I switch it off, okay?
Last question. Who's most likely to binge watch a series and compromise their sleep?
Payal.
Yes.
110%. And then come in office and chatter about it also. कि ये ऐसा है. She just waits to see who has watched it so she can have a conversation.
Even with a book, she does the same.
Even with a match, even with anything. She's a knowledge powerhouse in this. I don't know how she gets time to even witness all of this. I to sleep. I have no knowledge on serials and movies. But yeah, that was good. I know my team pretty well. I think it's a 6:4 ka ratio. So not bad. Not 5:4.
भी मिला आपको.
Please, okay? If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the Impulse Coffees YouTube channel. We are super consistent. I feel like the only brand I must consume content from जो इतने consistently post कर रहे is Impulse Coffees, and I know I'm making a very public statement, but kudos to my team जिन्होंने last studio में इतने बुरे हालात में leakage and क्या हालत में also they shot content consistently for y'all, and every Saturday there used to be a video. So huge props. उसी के लिए आप सब्सक्राइब कर लो because नए घर में तो हमको हमारा प्ले बटन चाहिए ही चाहिए. So subscribe, let's hit the milestone, let's cross 100k very soon on Impulse Coffees and get that play button here. If you haven't yet tried Impulse Coffees, I'm going to link the product of course in the description box for you, and also don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter because जब भी offers run होते हैं या कुछ नया आ रहा होता है, newsletter people are the first to get notified and also get a discount, special discount. So you will get the notification from there in your email box directly. Hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah. We should be healthy as a team now. Okay? All of us. And don't type big emails because I'm not reading.
Now
Payal
she started
suggested.
feeling cold for some reason. Otherwise, she used to never switch
No, I just moved to a different room and switched it on there. The kitchen is smelling very good today. I don't know that agarbatti ki wajah se वो